If you need to update the phone number associated with your Lyft account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your information. Step 3. Select account settings. In the profile menu, look for the option labeled account settings or settings. Tap on it to view your account details, including your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the section that displays your current phone number. Tap on it to edit, then enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm the changes and ensure your new number is saved to your account. Now your Lyft account is updated with the new phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.